Welcome to Frog Furnishings and assembly guidance for our 4-foot contour bench. Be sure to install your bench on a flat and level surface, preferably on concrete. Unpack the contents of your container box and ensure all pieces are included. Please read the assembly instructions and follow all directions. 6-foot benches require 3 bases, and 8-foot benches use 4 bases along with additional hardware. However, both are assembled using the same steps as the 4-foot bench. There are 8 premium resinwood slats for the Frog Contour Bench, 2 bullnose slats and 6 seat slats. There are 2 metal base components, 16 carriage bolts, 16 lock nuts, and 4 concrete wedge anchors. Recommended tools for assembly are a powered driver drill with a 7/16" socket and a rubber mallet. 2 people are recommended for assembly. Begin by positioning the 2 metal base components parallel to each other on a flat surface, about 3 feet apart. Lay a bullnose slat on top and at the front of the seat mounting surfaces. Align the pre-drilled holes in the bullnose slat with the mounting holes in each base component. Insert a carriage bolt through each pre-drilled slat hole and through the leg mounting hole. You may need the rubber mallet to tap the bolt through the slat. Secure the bolt using a locking nut. When using a power driver, do not over-tighten, as this might affect the integrity of the product. Once the bullnose slat is secured to both base components, install the second bullnose slat to the front and top of the components. Use a mallet as required to feed the bolts through the pre-drilled slat holes. Secure each bolt with lock nuts and tighten using the power driver. Continue by attaching the remaining seat slats. Align the pre-drilled slat holes with the base component mounting holes and secure each slat with carriage bolts and lock nuts. Finish by tightening all lock nuts. Assembly is now complete. Enjoy your premium Frog Furnishings 4-foot contour bench.